So absolutely beautiful out here, apart from the northeasterly, which is making life a bit bumpy. I assume they want to go around the corner, so we go around the corner here. They know what they're talking about, I don't. Must still be flooding, we're coming down here quite fast. I can see a little bass hot spot over there, see the waves rolling up on that edge there? Where the water's standing up on end, there'll be loads of little ones in there. Yeah, they love that, absolutely love that. No, that's been there probably a year. Yeah. It's quite strange now. It looks like it's going to become a lagoon.
It does, it really does, doesn't it? Yeah. Lovely water, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I go in there half tide and it's, you know, beautiful bottom to it, soft, you don't cut your feet or anything like that. Okay, there's the Freedom boat going out there with its motley crew aboard. I'd like to get some shots of that going fast. I'll ask if I can go on aboard one day. Okay, better watch what I'm doing here.